Welcome in a new video with a new topic. Here we learn about the poem The Foreign Land. The poem is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. He was born in Scotland on 13th November 1815. Stevenson loved to travel. He wrote many novels and poems. A Child's Garden of Verses is one of his best-known collections of poetry for children. Treasure Island and Kidnapped are two popular novels written by him. They are full of adventure and daring. Means the novels are written by the writer Louis Stevenson or Robert Louis Stevenson were full with adventure and daring. Foreign Land is a poem that describes what a child see as he climbed to the top of a tree. The things that he sees from the top of a tree for grown up, the things that the child see may the ordinary, but the child finds them exciting. The child wishes to climb still higher and higher. Let's begin the poem. Up into the cherry tree, who should climb but little me? I held the trunk with both my hands and looked abroad on foreign lands. Here the poet is saying that in this stanza the poet is saying that the child climbed a cherry tree by holding the trunk of the tree with both hands and looked abroad. Abroad means looked all around. The land that the child could see seemed the child as it a part of foreign land from off of the tree. I saw the next door garden lie adorned with flowers before my eye, and my pleasant places more that I had never seen before. In this stanza, the poet is saying that the child see the garden next door, which is decorated with flowers, and also the child can see the many other places from the tree or from up of the tree. The places seemed new to the child, which he had never seen before. I saw the dimpling river pass and be the sky's blue looking glass, the dusty road go up and down with the people trampling into the town. In this stanza, the poet is saying that the child can see a river which pass by, and the river is like a mirror to the blue sky above. There is people walking into the town on a dusty road which goes up and down. If I could find a higher tree further and further, I should see too where the grown up river slips into the sea among the ships. In this stanza, the poet is saying that now the child is imagining that if he or she could find a tree that was higher than one, he or she could be able to see much more than he or she can see now, and also she is imagining that she would be able to see the river getting broader, wider, and more grown up, and also would able to see where it slips into the sea or where it mixes with the sea or where it goes into the sea, to where the roads on either hands led onwards into the fairyland where all the children dine at 5 and all the playing things come alive. In the stanza, the poet is saying that the child is imagining that from off of the tree he can see on the either side of the river that lead to a magical land where the children dine at 5 and toys and playthings become the living things. This is the land he imagines he will be able to see if he climbs a much taller tree. This is all about the foreign land.